My name is Tyrone Turner, and I work in the ER radiology department in the ER at Sinai. The work environment, it's a real nice environment. Sometimes it's fast-paced, sometimes it can be slow. My job responsibilities are help assisting the technicians and the radiology specialists go getting patients for their x-rays or help with portable x-rays, the patients that can't move. I've learned how to treat people a lot better than I already did, like how to enter patients' rooms and ask for information, and I've actually learned more terms about x-rays, about the human anatomy and how they actually do them, and the whole process of patients coming in, waiting, you going to get them and bring them back and taking them to their rooms. Be a technician for x-rays, and I do want to work in the ER because I feel it's the most exciting part, and some of the techs have told me to try physician's assistants. They say just broaden up your horizons, but I really would be like being a tech. My favorite part is the work environment. It's a really nice work environment. A hospital, it has so many nice people that you can talk to, and they help you. For me being a current coming in senior, they help me with all the classes that I should take and how they got to here, so it can help me help better myself to be here. I learned how to talk to patients better. I learned how to actually be a more courteous person than I already was, how to knock and come into their room and be as nice as you can be, ask if they need anything, and I just learned so much more stuff about a hospital that I didn't know before, just coming in and having my own doctor's appointments. I know how other patients are. I plan to go to college and try to pursue my career being in the medical field. Plan to go to a college. I want to stay here on the East Coast because I don't want to go too far from my family. And I plan to take biology, biochemistry, physics, or any type of science classes and try to get into medical school to maybe if I want to become a doctor or stay a technician.
My name is Carl Carlton. I'm an X-ray technician at Sinai Hospital, Baltimore, Maryland. Well, prior to coming here, these students have had some exposure to healthcare, and when they come here, they follow us and they shadow us to get an idea of what's required of them and what we want them to do. The students will get exposed to using portable X-ray machines and use of the X-ray console. To my knowledge, it's been at least one, but the process is such that once they finish the program, they have to go through a training process of education in a college to work in radiology, and that program is usually 2 years. Any references that they need, they can contact me directly or anyone in the department, and we'll be glad to write references for them. As the students get here, I talk to them to assess their skills and their skill level and what they're able to do. And then I begin to challenge them with career goals and try to expose them to as much as possible. Shamika started out with just wanting to do x-ray, but now I've talked her into considering nursing. And I've been pushing Tyrone Turner to consider physician assistants.